Hi guys, finally the paint work is done. Yesterday we decided to paint our home, the entire house actually, and this is just the kitchen. So tuliamua tuende na black and white. The windows tulipaka black as you can see, alafu huku kwa sink tukapaka black because huku juu this is water water
emulsion
ya maji, alafu huku ni mafuta, huku tupaka mafuta kwa sababu ya maji. So guys, hey, you saw the shelves on my previous video. Kama unaona that video, please, the video before this one nilionyesha how we installed this floating shelves because of the space. First thing, ukiwa na jikoni ndogo, please go for floating shelves because it maximizes the space. You don't want to put huge cabinets zenye zitakuzuia, zitakushinda kuoperate in the kitchen. Also, our shopping ilikuwa imekaa hapa, but now we've transferred our shopping hapo juu, and finally our microwave imekuja hapa. It used to be on top of the fridge, but now it has found a new space, our counter space. And then this is our coil over here. Yeah guys, so before I continue, I want to show you the new addition in our kitchen. I I bought a chopping board finally. We used to cut our vegetables from this counter space na tulikuwa tunaribu, so we decided to buy a chopping board. This was 420 bob, na najua Kamkunji it's way cheaper compared to the supermarket because it will buy supermarket. And also we got a frying pan finally. Mambo ya kupika mayai kwa sufuria sisi tupati huko tena. Sasa tuko na frying pan, so at least nimeanza kubuy vitu pole pole. So this is the first batch, and then next songa tu pole pole. So guys, I'm going to show you the painting of the entire house, but for now just enjoy the ambience in the kitchen. It's looking aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, please rate it out of 10 and tell me on the comment section what you think. But guys, remember to subscribe. Let's grow. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Tusonge, like this video, share with your friends. Tukifanya hizi makeovers, will be updating you guys. So yeah, just enjoy the space.